What is business value? The business value is actually the benefit derived from a business endeavor. Now, the business endeavor could be a project, could be a program, could be a portfolio, could be operations. The business value derived may be tangible like monetary assets or an increase in equity for the stockholder, or it could be intangible like a goodwill or brand recognition. Now, it is very important to create a culture of urgency for value delivery within the project team. The earlier you deliver value to the customer, it is always better. There are various components within an organization that could deliver business value, like portfolios, programs, projects, or operations. Now, all of them can individually add business value to the organization, or they can collectively work together to deliver the business value. When they work together, they create a system for value delivery in an organization. It is also important to note that the organization comes within an internal environment and an external environment. The internal environment includes the policies of the organization, the procedures, the methodologies, the frameworks, the governance structures within the organization. All these comes under the internal environment within which anything you do have to be complied. For example, if I am doing a project has to comply to the frameworks and the governance structures within the internal environment. In addition to these, there are external environment factors like, for example, the economy, the competitive environment, the legislative constraints. These all control how do you work in an organization.